So today we're gonna clean out my cupboard. Organize it, pull it all out. We're just gonna go for the full effect. I'm currently just sitting at home doing not much of anything and everything at the same time, but I needed to do a task, okay? Didn't really feel like doing the dishes, didn't really feel like cleaning the carpet. I feel like pulling all of this stuff out and trying to organize it as though, in some sense, I'm organizing my life. Let's do it.
So I'm just going to start by pulling everything out.
Okay, so I got the top shelf completely emptied, and I already took this green thingy so things don't slide out, and wiped everything down and disinfected in there because I saw a couple dead bugs. You know, you don't want your Tupperware area to be a graveyard of bugs, so took care of the graveyard of bugs. And now we need to take care of this pile of all these dishes. I am going to start by putting all the lids on one area. Oh man, look at how many of these I got. So I have a hard time throwing away plastic and glass. And this is like my favorite yogurt, okay? So this is how many times I bought this yogurt, and there's more. There's definitely more in here. And since they come with nice lids and, you know, containers, I didn't want to throw them away. So I've got a whole bunch of Noosa yogurt containers. And I keep thinking I will be able to repurpose them in some way. But I think I might just have to move them out in the garage, because as of right now, I'm not using them. Not all of them, at least. Anyways. Organization. Let's go. Okay, so I did more than organize the lids and the containers. I ended up doing the whole shelf. So, all of these, I decided I'm gonna get rid of. Rather give away, whatever. Yeah, because these are ones that I honestly, well, obviously the yogurt ones, I know where that came from, but all these other ones, probably from my mom sending me home with food so I don't starve to death. So we are good on these. Like, this is like a recycled mozzarella ball container. I think we're good to repurpose those and give them away and have them bring joy to somebody else's cupboard. But yeah, so I kept all the ones these ones I recently bought. All the rest of them are good quality Rubbermaid, which also probably I took from my mom when she was trying to keep me alive with leftovers. But anyways, the bottom shelf is all pans and heavy stuff. Except these guys. These guys we're gonna move up here. Those guys now live there. So yeah, I'm going to pull all of this out and organize it after putting these in a box to go out in the garage for right now. Okie doke, so now onto the pans. Okay. I'm good now.
Alright, now to tear out all the pans and the glass bowls and straining bowls and stuff. to be great. It's going to be awesome. I'm going to look in there here and be like, what happened? What is this life coming to? Is it actually making progress in organized fashion? What? Okay, I don't need this. I don't need all this. I'm downsizing. That's the goal. This next 30 days for me to figure out my life and know what I'm going to do to survive. I'm going to just go through everything in my house and downsize. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go through everything I don't need so that I can give it away, sell it, whatever, to try and just like figure my life out. Just keep coming in. Don't stop coming. Okay. Alright, so now I'm going to pull these bad boys out and disinfect the inside, put them back in, and then organize these back into the back from whence they came. Progress is progress. Alright, check it out. I completed. I did it. I done did it. Okay, look it. It's organized. You can see things, and when you grab something, everything will come falling out. This is revolutionary stuff right here. Alright. Gorgeous. Who lives this life? Oh, that's right, I do. Thanks for watching, you guys. I'm glad you could join me in being productive and trying to do something of what I can do today. Because during this time of confusion, during this time of, I don't know what to really call it, a standstill, quiet before the storm, not knowing what's going to happen. But ultimately, I'm making the most of it, of what I can do today. And I completed a task that will make my future days a little more convenient and easier on myself. That's all I got. Have a good one.